Hi guys, welcome back to Piper versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to create a 3D torus and toroidal surface visualization using Mayavi library from Python. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so it can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So let's get started with the code and see how the code is there. So firstly, we are importing NumPy and Mayavi. So we are all aware that NumPy is commonly used for numerical computations in Python, and Mayavi is used for 3D scientific data visualization. Next part of the program is to create a torus data. So this section creates a data for a torus. It defines the major radius r and a minor radius r of the torus. Then it generates a parametric coordinates u and v and calculates the x and y and z coordinates of points on the surface of the torus using the toroidal coordinate transformations. Next part of the program is to create the toroidal surface data. Here in this section, the data for the toroidal surface is defined. It defines a radius A, an amplitude of C of the surface. Then it generates a parametric coordinates U and V and calculates the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the points on the surface using toroidal coordinate transformations. So the next part of the program is to plot the shape and here using mesh. This section of the plots shapes using Mayavi's mesh function. It creates a mesh plots for the torus and toroidal surface using the calculated x, y, and z coordinates. Each shape is assigned a specific color. Next part of the program is to add the axes and labels. So the section adds the axes and labels to the plot using Mayavi's axis function. It also sets the label for the x, y, and z axis using the x label, y label, and z label. And finally, we have mlab.show to showcase the plot which we have initiated in our program. Quickly, let's take a look at the output of the program. So as usual, I'm going to go to the folder where the file is stored, copy the name of the file .py, cmd, and then python space file name .py. So as you can see, this is a shape of a tornado and it's a 3D image. Again, Mayavi should be installed in your command prompt, which is pip install Mayavi before running the program. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if there is any query, please feel free to comment down below.